Hey, we have a 2014 Chevy Cruze with the 1.4 liter turbo engine. We'll be replacing the entire valve cover here. So first thing we're going to do is remove the wire harness here. Basically just pick up on these. Let me go with my hands. Pretty much just get all this out the way. This cover, just go ahead and pop it off. Get all that out the way as well. Remove the dipstick. Also, I believe these are T30s. Go ahead and get this out the way as well. You can unplug it here. Someone's been here before. Obviously, it's a Dorman. Just for this, they have silicone. I'm just going to pull it to the side. So pretty much just going to free everything up, and then we'll get to removing the valve cover. Also, a quick FYI, to help get this off here, use a pick. Go inside here. You see a little tab. Just push it forward towards the passenger side, and then lift up. So as you can see here, I've pretty much got all of everything that will obstruct us from moving the valve cover out the way. I did unplug this here just to help bring it down a little bit, as you can see right there. Okay, so now with an E10, I'm just going to go and remove all the bolts around, as you can see here, and then from there we can get this valve cover off. So I've pretty much removed all the bolts. For the most part, they stay with the valve cover. So right now it's kind of held down by the silicone that you'll see once I remove it. Just going to get a little pry tool and just kind of pick up on it. Just work it a little bit, and then we're just gonna pull up. Just working around all the wire harnesses here. A little more difficult with one hand, but you get the gist. So pretty much I'm gonna lift this up, get it out the way, and then we're gonna clean up all the areas around. I'll show you just. So with both my hands, I was able to get it out easily. And now I'm just going to clean up all the silicone and wipe it. So after you clean the surface up, you're going to add silicone where the timing cover meets the engine head here and there, as well as on this hump right here and here. Once I put the silicone down, I'm just going to set the valve cover on and get ready to torque it down. So I've placed my valve cover down here with the GM one instead of that Dorman we had. So now I'm just going to go ahead and torque these bolts down to 8 Newton meters, or I believe it's like 6 pounds, something like that. You can convert it. But there is a sequence. I'll take a add a picture on it to the video, and you can just pause on it to see. So let me go and get this tightened down, and I'll get that picture for you. So here's a torque sequence, 1 all the way to 15. So just go ahead and pause the video here, and there you are. Alright, y'all, so there we have it. Just pretty much put everything back together, put the dipstick back in, transfer the cap over, put all the wire harnesses back on, coil pack, and we're done. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. More videos to come.